Hello and welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Millie and I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing 5 looks with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette. I really do love this color story. Besides the color green, I really love reds and purples as well as some corals, and I feel super inspired by it. I created 5 looks and I could honestly easily create another pretty varied 5 more looks with this palette. That being said, there's definitely some repetition in some of these shades, but overall you can get quite a bit of variation in your looks with this palette. And I will just insert some arm swatches to show you some comparisons because I felt like the shade Rider Diamonds, Get Ready With Me, Bougie, Drama Queen were all pretty similar in the pan, and it's kind of funny that they all put them together because that just, I think, makes it worse than if they were spread out. They all kind of have the same depth, but they do have different undertones. However, I do think some of these will look pretty much exactly the same on the lid, so I don't think that all of these needed to be in here. And then for the mattes, Love Handles, Comfort Zone, Perfectionist, Homebody, Grateful, Thick Skin, and G Money are all swatched here. There's a little bit more depth among these, but there is some repetition here as well. And again, I don't think that all of these needed to be in here. I think Love Handles, Comfort Zone, and Perfectionist are all gonna pretty much look the same on the lid. Other than that, I did compare some of the reds, and I think there's quite a bit of depth there. However, I did use Oh Hello and Dance Party in one of my looks, and I felt like they kind of ended up blending together to look not that different as they look in the pan. So I'm not sure if that was just because of the look that I created. The mattes are very, very pigmented and they do stain. And so if that's something you're concerned with, I would stay away from this palette because most of these do stain. I do not love the Morphe metallic formula. They just immediately hard pan when you touch them in the pan if you're trying to swatch them, and even if you go in with a brush. But they do seem to apply fine, but the pans look like they've just hard panned. So overall, I really enjoyed playing with this palette. I felt like I just kept coming up with new ideas and new ways to use these shades to create different types of looks. So if you would like to see the 5 looks that I created, please keep watching.